What are you doing? What?
I'll hold her.
You want to hold her?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, doll babe.
Her and me are gonna be on like fireman pedal.
Okay, here. Sit over on your Spidey. Oh, you guys are so cute. Dolly, can you smile? Hi, honey. My sweet.
I made her Mayo.
Yeah. So today I am painting a mural for my nieces, and the day has gone by so fast already. I'm just like losing daylight here. So I am just gonna spit up, sis, spit up. So yeah, I was already supposed to be there, but this day.
On bed and on my way.
Okay, one sec. Today I'm just behind on time. I wanted to get a workout in, and then Dolly missed her nap, so it's been a morning, but it's fine. Fine. So I'll bring you guys along with me today as I do that. Okay, I need to pack my bag. Make sure we have everything in here. Okay, I'm coming. Diapers. I need to clean this whole thing out. This is such a mess. Okay. When I put everything in here, it's organized, and then it just gets so messy. Like one Hot Wheel, an acorn, and a little Star Wars dude. All the diapers. She's in a size 1, but I feel like even that is too small for her now.
Oh, our tire.
Oh, that's his tire?
No.
I was wondering whose tire that was.
That white tire too. Darn it, almost open.
We're just going to bring this
Mom,
back.
I
Okay. Got my
got
bag.
that one, Mom.
When you travel somewhere with a baby, you have this.
Mom.
And you have one of these.
Not my auntie. What?
How much should it be? Okay, let's load this car up. Much stuff. Buddy, do you have your shoes?
I don't want to.
Do you need a bag for your stuff?
Mom, I also was going on home. Pick up pin. Got a new foot.
All right. Okay, I've got the goods. We have the cutest colors here. This like lime green I love. This is like a brighter green. We've got like a purple, a coral, a teal, kind of like the indigo purple, and then an orange. So the idea is I'm gonna do the bed wall mainly with just some like cute girly shapes. I'm gonna show you like some of the things they have in here. So I'm gonna just try to like match the style. It's gonna be like a doodle themed room, a doodly room. Okay, so like this is the rug. It's like a really cute checkerboard teal, and then this is like the bedding. Cute. And the bed is like this pink velvet. So and they just have like fun accents like this mustard yellow, the locker, these cute little scalloped lamps. So it's just going to be gonna tie in this fun palette here. Okay. It's really hard to film this in such tight quarters. I have no plan. I'm just gonna start. That's the best way to do it. Oh, let's just go for it. A 1.5 inch brush, and then I also have a 2-inch brush. A 1 inch as well. Let's go. gonna put you guys on pause and make some progress. Okay, I'm checking in. This is the progress we've made. I should have checked at what time I started this at. Okay, progress update. Here we are. It's looking good, looking cute. What can I say? Oh, what can I say? I love it. The top row to do, and then I have like a section down here. So, we're in the home stretch. We're in the home stretch. I'm gonna see how fast I can knock it out. Okay, I'll update you guys soon. What do you think, Rhea?
Good.
Good? Only good?
1,000.
I look rough.